Hello. Hello everyone. This is the first day I speak in English. So for now and the next days I will practice my English speaking skill through the video recording. So please keep up with me, and yeah, I will do my best to trying speak in English fluently and naturally. So yeah. I think my daughter here, Nadifa, uh, will also join us to speak a little bit, and I will make little conversation with her. And so I hope I can speak fluently, naturally, and comfortably. And yeah, because the English speaking skills is undoubtedly very important for now, because everyone in this world speak in English. So yeah, goodbye.